Select the drawing model or construction drawing type where you'd like to insert a construction detail. Access the drawing menu and select the object type. Select an area of the drawing to be represented in the detail. A new detail subnode is added. Choose the representation scale. Add a title. Redefine the detail area. Now use the 2D graphics objects for detailing. Use graphical shapes to create different areas. Together with hatches and colors. Use text and labels to specify elements and materials. Now it's ready for printing, exporting as a PDF. Or as a DXF, DWG CAD file too.